Alright guys, what we're working on today is a Honda Hs80 Snowblower. Okay, and here's my question for you. What's wrong with that picture? What's wrong with that picture? I'll tell you what's wrong with it. A day and a half worth of labor. The drive belt broke on this thing. And I was positive I could slip it down there and loop it around and muscle it in. And no matter how hard I tried, couldn't do it. They always tell you to split the machine. I was just determined not to. Well, I got news for everybody out there. Yes, you have to split the machine. Okay, it's not a big deal. It's just a pain in the ass. It's 10 bolts. 10 bolts, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and 3 on each side. Okay, oddly enough, they are 2 different sizes, 12 and 13 millimeter. So this is the belt I'm talking about. The reason you can't put it on from up on top is because of this. This guide here for the belt, okay, sits underneath, way underneath. Okay, you cannot see it from the top. Cannot see it. Tell them by those 2 10 millimeter bolts, which I'm going to leave right there so I know where they are. This is the brake, okay? This is the brake for the auger. Okay, you got to push that out of the way, and like I did, wedge a tool up in there to hold it in place. Get it out of your way. Once you do all that, the belt slips right on. No problem. And this is the idler, which tightens the belt. Okay, and that's adjustable. Okay, I hope you've seen that. I'm so freaking tired here. It's probably going to be a crappy video, but this little machine really kicked my butt. So, I have to tell you the truth, I've never worked on one of these before. Never had to. So, new drive belt. And now what I'm thinking, the auger belt looks really good, no rips. But I'm thinking while I got it apart, I might as well throw a new one on there. I'll just keep this one for a spare. So, Honda Hs80. Alright. This is what you gotta do. Change the drive belt. Gotta split the machine. There's no getting around it. I don't care who you are, what you say. You cannot get around it. Alright, now, I got this machine from my buddy Russ. You always see me talking about my buddy Russ. My Goomba. He's the one that gave me the snapper here. Many other things. Snowblower. Alright, this is the other thing with the Honda. Okay? Both tires. See the tire here? Look at the other side. Okay? Yeah, it's a little off the bead, right? Well, that's because the bead is a double bead. By that I mean a split rim. It's 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Okay? So, that's what happens when the air gets too low. It'll start slipping right off the outer bead. And especially if your nuts aren't tight, no pun intended. And so you've got to put this on the tractor and tighten it up first, then put your air in. Don't put your air in before. Okay, that's what I believe you should do with these split rims. I had one in the past, had a similar problem. So tires are good, tubes are good. It just came loose. So tires are really good. There's some kind of snow grip or whatever. But at any rate, but this is why you see so many snowblowers discarded. Not because they're so hard to work on, it's just they're very time consuming. And the average homeowner does not want to be bothered. But I personally think they should have made it easier. Change the belts. If this panel here on the side was accessible somehow with a few bolts, could have got in there and done it. But like everything else, they want you to bring it back to the dealer. So that's the story on this. Runs good. Everything else works on it. They need a lot of labor. Working on it a day and a half now, ripping this thing apart on and off. I'll have it back together by the end of the day. And that's the story, Jerry. Yes, sir. Good times. A lot of fun. Welcome, Daniel.